In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the WooCommerce product image size issue. If you've ever run into problems with product images looking stretched, blurry, or inconsistent in size, don't worry, you're not alone. This is a common challenge with WooCommerce, but the good news is it's an easy issue to solve with just a few adjustments. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to fine-tune your product images so they look clean, professional, and perfectly aligned on your website. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard using an account with administrator access. This is important because only admin users have the ability to make changes to WooCommerce's settings. Once you're in, you'll need to locate WooCommerce in the left-hand menu. Go ahead and click on it and then select Settings. This is where we'll be making the adjustments to your product image sizes. Once the settings page loads, you'll see several tabs along the top. Click on the one labeled Products. This tab is where all the options related to your store's products are located, including the settings for product images. After that, scroll down until you find the Display section or the area where product image settings are configured. Depending on your WooCommerce version, this section may be labeled slightly differently, but it'll be easy to spot as it contains options related to images and display. Next, locate the Product Images section. This is where you can set the dimensions for your product images. Now, here's where we start fine-tuning. For the main single product image, the one that appears on the product detail page, choose dimensions between 800 and 1200 pixels. This ensures that the image is large enough to look crisp and clear, but not so large that it slows down your site. For catalog images, which appear in your shop or category pages, aim for dimensions between 600 and 800 pixels. Finally, for thumbnails, which are the smallest images in your store, stick to dimensions between 300 and 400 pixels. These sizes are ideal for most themes and will help maintain a balance between image quality and page speed. Now let's move on to cropping options. WooCommerce gives you two choices here, hard crop and uncropped. Selecting hard crop ensures that all your images are cropped into uniform boxes, which is great if you want everything to look perfectly aligned in a grid. On the other hand, the uncropped option preserves the original proportions of your images, which can be useful if your product photos have varying aspect ratios. If you're not sure which to choose, refer to your theme's documentation for recommended dimensions and aspect ratios. Your theme may have specific guidelines to help you make the best decision. Once you've set your desired dimensions and cropping options, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page and click it. At this point, WooCommerce may prompt you to regenerate thumbnails. This step is essential because it ensures that all of your existing product images are resized to match the new settings. If you see the notice, follow the prompt to regenerate thumbnails. This might take a few moments, especially if you have a lot of product images. Before you check your store to see the results, it's a good idea to clear your browser cache. Cached data can sometimes prevent you from seeing the updated images. To do this, click the three dots in the top right corner of your browser, select Clear Browsing Data, and then choose the option for cached images and files. Confirm the action, and your browser will clear out the stored information. Finally, reload your shop and product pages. Take a close look at your product images and check that they're displaying at the correct sizes and looking consistent across your store. If everything looks good, congratulations, you've successfully fixed the WooCommerce product image size issue. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.